Hi, welcome to SJ MathTube. So, are you ready for our next question? You can pause this video now and try to answer it yourself. How can we approach these kind of questions? When you get squared questions, always try to take square roots. Okay, what we can do is let's try to consider the whole thing as one unit. So, we can see that this yellow unit can be plus 2 or minus 2, because when you square root on both sides, you will end up with x squared minus 1 the whole squared minus 2 the whole squared minus 3 will be equal to either plus 2 or minus 2. So now this minus 3 is free from the square, so let's add 3 on both sides. So you can see that you'll end up with x squared minus 1 the whole square minus 2 the whole square will be equal to either 5 or 1. Okay, now what we can do next? Yeah, let's square root it again. So you'll end up with x squared minus 1 the whole square minus 2 can be plus root 5 or minus root 5 plus 1 or minus 1. 4 possibilities are there. Now what you can do? Yeah, you can see that this minus 2 is free, so let's add 2 on all these possibilities. So you'll end up with x squared minus 1 the whole square will be equal to 2 plus root 5 plus 3 and also plus 1. Oh no, there is a problem here. Can you find out the problem? Out of these 4 possibilities, this is a troublemaker. Do you know why? Because the question clearly says we need real roots only. We need only real solutions. So when you look at this value, you can clearly see that 2 is smaller than root 5 value, because root 4 is 2, right? So root 5 will be always bigger than 2. So that means 2 minus root 5 will be a negative value, and a square of something cannot become a negative. So that means this will not give us any real roots. So we can cancel this possibility from our roots. When you square root it, these are the possible values. Now what we can do? Yeah, we have to add 1 on all our possibilities. So you'll end up with x squared equals to 1 plus square root of 2 plus root 5 is one possibility, 1 minus square root of 2 plus root 5, and then there is 1 plus root 3 and 1 minus root 3, and there is also square root of 1 is 1 itself, so 1 plus 1, which is 1 plus 1 or 1 minus 1. Again, we have to check will all these things give us a distinct real roots. A squared quantities cannot become negative, so that means 1 minus root 3, again it's not possible because root 3 is more than 1, it will give you a negative value. And then is there any other possibility? 2 plus root 5, 2 plus root 5 will be like 2 plus, and then this one will be 2 point something, so basically you'll end up with 4 point something. Square root of 4 point something will be obviously bigger than 1, so this possibility also we have to get rid of it. So the values of x can be square root of plus or minus square root of 1 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 5, and also it can be plus or minus square root of 1 plus root 3, and also it can be square root of 2 plus or minus square root of 2, and also it can be 0. So you can see that how many values are possible. There are 2 values here, and there are 2 values here, and there are 2 values here, and there is 1 value here. So altogether there are 7 distinct real roots for this particular equation. So the answer for this particular question will be C7. I hope that you like this video. Please check out our YouTube channel SJ MathTube for more videos. If you like this video, subscribe and share with your friends. And also if you need any help with math, please feel free to contact us in this number. Okay then, bye.